How can you trade with $1, £1, 20 rand, €1? Is it possible to trade with that amount of money? And if it's possible, how can you actually start trading with it? Basically, we need to understand the balance and the margin. The balance is the money that you will deposit and the margin. So when we're looking at the margin, we're looking at the money that we need for us to trade the asset. All right. When we're looking in terms of balance, we're looking in terms of the money that we actually deposit in the broker. So many brokers, I've mentioned other broker. For those who don't understand about brokers are actually like a dealership, which is there to offer the service of buying and selling so that you can make profit. Now, when it comes to balance, most brokers, they won't allow you to deposit $1, all right? They won't allow you to deposit that small amount of money. However, with IC Markets, which is the broker that I recommend, the links are provided in the bio. If you're watching this video on TikTok, if you're watching this video on YouTube, the links are in the comment section below or in the description below. Should you not see in any of those links, please reach out to me so that I can assist you in a better way. Now, before we actually move on to actual understanding about the parameters, the numbers, because the numbers won't lie to you, because we're here for the numbers. Now, brokers, they are there to offer service. However, if they are there to offer service, they want to make sure that they induce you. So philosophically, yes, we can make money with the $1. However, in real numbers, we can't really trade anything with $1, except that if we know what we're doing. In this case, why I say that in two ways. Okay, first way is that, as you can see here, we have margin of 0.78, which is the money that we need at that current price. Because of this current price here, we sold with 0.01. This is the current price, and this price will not be the same when you actually want to start trading again. It's fluctuating every now and then. So the moment it fluctuates, it changes value, and when it changes value, it's the same way with the margin will keep changing. So basically, you can actually trade, you can trade with $1. However, the number of points, if you can see, as you can see here, we made a sell here and the price is at this price. Now we are making a loss of 0.01 because the difference from this price is just a small difference. And that was what in GBP, which is in pound. All right. So is it possible to trade with $1? Yes, it is possible. Let me share with you another example that is it's actually possible to trade with $1. However, when you want to trade with the $1, you must know your story in terms of understanding the points, the number of points. As you can see here, we are in profit of 7.91. Now, why do I actually selected this example? All right, it's in this way. I want to explain in a better way. You can see that I needed a margin of what? Of 1.75, which is, you can put $2. All right, and then once I put $2, that's actually 1.75, and I'm left with what? 0.05 free margin. Okay, now margin level is at 1,147. Okay, we understand that one, which is quite simple. All right, if for those who don't understand about free margin and margin level, lessons are provided in this channel. Please check out the lessons so that you can actually watch and understand what is happening. So now we're looking at what? I selected this example so that you can actually get to understand that this, most of the time, this, what you see here with the ones, the 1.80 here, which is around 20 rand, okay, around somewhere €1.20 or 1.15 pound. This amount of money, most of the time, it's a marketing. All right, it's a marketing. Why is it marketing? Before we go to the numbers, because we need to actually understand the numbers. It's marketing because of what? Because we only see that the free margin is what? It's 0.05. All right, it's 0.05, and that will represent that this these trades that I took here, they are higher risk, meaning that the number of points, that's where we're getting to the numbers. The number of points, all right? The number of points are gonna affect this account quickly. Let me share with you on a different example, because this one maybe you might not understand what actually we're talking about. Now I'm gonna give you a different example so that you can see what the hell I was talking about. Okay. What I'm really trying to achieve here with you so that you understand what is happening is that you must understand the points. As you can see here, we have this $2 pound account, all right? And then equity, it's at 1.92, all right? Free margin, it's at what? 0.09. And as you can see, margin level is at what? It's at 95.29. Once we reach 50% here, the trade will be what? Will be closed. So basically, for you to understand the numbers, 200 points of gold is equals to $2. 100 points, which is here. Okay. Right. 100 points is equals to $1. All right, which is $1. So now, if you lose 50% of what? Of equity, then you'll actually reach margin level, which is gonna trigger stop level, and then that will actually broker will close your trade automatically. All right, the broker will close your trade automatically. So now, as you can see here, it's actually we're in red, so we're losing 0.34, but we're already in red. We're having difficulties here, so we're gonna have another lesson for you to get a better understanding, get a better experience, because we're having some difficulties here. So for now, stay blessed, stay tuned, and I love you all.